So the RAICo Academic Programme is a subset of projects and programmes primarily led and delivered through the University of Manchester, but critically they have connections into lots of other universities. So it's making sure that we really engage with, capture and harness those brightest and best minds across the UK who are working within academia on robotics and bringing them together to work on some of these challenges.
The need is that there's lots of research in robotics. It's a relatively new area, there's lots of research, and we need short studies just to see if some of these techniques actually have a use for the nuclear industry.
We need to develop the technologies that don't exist yet. And we cannot only rely on existing technologies that we can buy off the shelf. We need academic research that brings those fundamental principles and create new knowledge that then will turn into new technologies that will then be deployed in 2, 3, 4, 5 years' time.
They focus on the things that can go beyond what we at an engineering level believe we can achieve. That has the potential of accelerating everything that we do and make it more efficient and faster.
Collaboration is essential. Collaboration is what drives this whole thing. So we need this collaboration where we have people to inform the needs, people to develop the technologies at a more fundamental level, people from the supply chain that can get those technologies and incorporate into their businesses immediately so that they can apply this on site today. Without collaboration, that wouldn't happen.
I think where RAICo is really fundamentally different is that real need to have that end user pull at the start. So you can take those R&D outputs, then engage with supply chain, but having academia woven into the programme is absolutely fundamental to bringing in new ideas for these challenging bespoke programmes that we get from across the nuclear estate.
It's a different way of working with our collaborators to try and find the best benefit for them, but also enabling us to accelerate it in terms of its adoption of technology on site and allowing us to be more precise and have that greater impact.
The RAICo project provided me this platform and a funding opportunity to engage with the industry and to enable us to really develop the research technique to solve the real challenges in the industry and kind of guide us to a right direction.
There's been considerable social impact from the RAICo programme here in West Cumbria because it brings people together in a place so it can focus that innovation and that collaboration as well. And it's also working closely with the education providers locally, enabling them to come and visit the facility, stimulating and encouraging people about a career in nuclear as well.
When you think about robots, everybody smiles. Friends and family are interested in robots, local communities are interested. We can connect with robots and it gives us that little bit of a thrill and a little bit of a buzz. They're a tool in the toolbox, but if you can be energised about work and excited about work, that's a great outcome.